Good morning, students of Standard 6th. I am doing your chapter number 3 of Geography, Motions of the Earth. Now, motions of the Earth is the rotation and the revolution of the Earth. I will explain these terms to you. The rotation is a movement on the Earth on its own axis. Now, we are going to imagine this is the Earth. Now, we have an imaginary axis. Imaginary means we have to think it is there. So, the Earth is moving on its own axis, okay? It's moving on its own axis like this. This is called the movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. When it moves on its own round and round, it is called rotation. But if this is the Sun, my hand is the Sun, and it is moving with the other planets around the Sun, it is called revolution. Remember, if it's moving, so it moves on its own and it moves. It is a rotation and a revolution. Rotation is when it's moving on its own axis. Revolution is it's moving on its own axis and it is slowly moving around the Sun. That is called a revolution. Now there is an imaginary line. Imaginary line is what we have to imagine. There are no lines on the Earth. Okay, so we have to imagine it. It makes an angle of 66.5 degrees, which is called the orbital plane. That part. Now this plane is the orbit is called the orbital plane. The Earth receives light from the Sun. Please remember this, we get light from the Sun. Due to it, we get, now I have drawn some lines here. So this is going to be our night and this is going to be our day. Now it is turning, okay? It has its own, this is the Sun. My hand is the Sun. Now when it is moving, whichever Sun, the side, the Sun faces the side, it is, if it faces this side of the Earth, it is called day, and the other side gets night. The side that faces the Sun gets day, the other side gets night. Please remember this. This circle is called the circle of illumination. Whichever the circle that moves towards the Sun is called the circle of illumination. One day, for one rotation, it takes 24 hours. That is called one Earth day. One rotation is called one Earth day. Now, supposing it did not move. Suppose it was one side. It did not go around the Sun. Okay, it did not revolve or did not rotate. Suppose this did not rotate. It did not rotate. It stayed like this. It went like this only. Okay, now this is the day and this is the Sun. It did not rotate on its own. But supposing it went just the same way like this, what would happen? That this side would always get day. It would always be hot. And this side would always be night. It would be cold. It would be frozen. If you do not get sunlight, the area gets frozen up with snow. It will be very cold. See how God made everything so that this also rotates and it also revolves around. So it revolves around the orbit of the Sun. Now when it revolves around it, it takes 365 days. Actually it takes another quarter days. Quarter is 6 hours. But we don't count the 6 hours now because it is difficult for calculation of a year. But we don't ignore those 6 hours. Those 6 hours are calculated in 4 years. That is why in 4 years, in the month of February, we give one extra day. So after 4 years, we have one leap day. One extra day is called a leap day. So those 6 hours are counted and we have one day. And that one day is added in February and we have a leap year. So when the Earth rotates around the Sun, we have seasons. Because of the rotation and the revolution, we have seasons. We have summer, which is the hot season. We have winter, the cold season. We have spring and autumn. Now, spring and autumn is not in every country. Spring, after the winter, the snow starts melting and the grass starts growing again. And you will have birds in the air. You will have new plants, new trees. And autumn is a time when the leaves start falling down again. All the leaves fall down. The tree is getting ready for a new season. So some countries have 4 seasons. Some countries like India, we have a few seasons. We have summer, we have winter, and we have the monsoon season. No, many countries don't have monsoons. They have very few rain, showers of rain. They don't have a whole monsoon season like we have. So I hope you have understood till here. Thank you.